going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. Today I'm going to show you how to get to your taillight bulbs and change out the housing. This one got broken here. And there'll be links down in the description below where you can pick up all the parts and tools used in the video. First thing we're going to do is pull these 4 screws. On mine, they're a T15 Torx bit. On yours, they may be Phillips screw heads. They were different on different years. I picked up all the parts I needed fairly cheap on Amazon, and they're very complete. Comes with the housing and the chrome. It's not on if you don't want to use it. If you do want to use it, put it on. So we're going to take the T15, remove the 4 screws, and I'm going to be reusing my Torx screws. The new ones came with Phillips. I think these are a little more secure. I don't know, there's a lot of people stealing taillights, but can't hurt. And then this is just gonna pop off. You just push in, twist, pull it out. Push in, twist, pull it out. Now it just pulls out. Next, we're gonna remove these 4 T15s. And these are just gonna turn and pull out of the housing. That's it. Our new one even comes with a new gasket. Just gonna pop those back in the same way we took them out, and they'll only go in the way they came out, so you can't mix them up. After we get those locked in, slide them back in there. Screw the screws back in. Don't go crazy tight with them. We're just screwing into some plastic here. We're gonna pop the included gasket in. There's a little thing sticking out here. It's gonna go on this side. And now if you want to use the chrome piece, you're going to have to bend it around your lens to keep it from popping off. But it bends pretty easy. These ones on this side are longer. The inside of the taillight housing is thicker. So the long tabs go on the inside. And just squeeze them with your hands. I'm starting on the outside, the thinner side. That's what it looks like. Put your new light bulbs in. Just gotta line the pegs up with the slots, push them in, turn them clockwise. One of them sits higher than the other, so if it doesn't turn going in one way, flip it around There we go. And one of these screws is longer. It's gonna go on this one here, the upper outside bolt screw. The upper outside screw is got a thicker piece of plastic here. I'm gonna get them started. And again, we're not tightening them down crazy tight. There you go, that's it. High five, you did it. Thanks for watching.